ॐ सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी
Namaste and welcome
नमोस्तुते
again to Planet to Soul Astrology, and I'm very sure that you
नारायणी
all are busy in
नमोस्तुते
Diwali preparation and celebrations, and yes, we
नारायणी
have to say bye bye to Corona
नमोस्तुते
because we all are living with Corona now, and very soon it is going to go forever from our life. Now in India also 92% recovery rate has happened, and yes, this Diwali we just have to pray, make prayers that first health, and along with health there should be wealth, because if only wealth you will pray for, then what about health? Because health comes first and then wealth comes. So if health is there, then you can utilize, you can channelize, and you can use your wealth. So friends, this time Diwali is for very less days, and we just have to make good celebration of this Diwali. It is not mandatory that you just have to spend lots of money for Diwali or something. Just lighting diyas, lighting lanterns, and minimizing your expenditure, but brightening your house is also Diwali. Lakshmi Mata or Diwali Devata doesn't say that you spend lots of money, because that should not be the question. Because this time it has been one type of since this Corona has come, many people have lost their jobs, the financial crisis have arisen and everything. But yes, this time with full force, with full energy, we just have to pray to Mahalakshmi Mata for everyone's health and everyone's wealth along with our own. So we are coming in everyone only. So friends, this time there are two tithis combined. So first day is of Rama Ekadashi, which is falling on 11th of November. Second 12th of November is Dwadashi, that is Gau Pujan, or the cow is worshipped that day, and we just have to worship cow. We have to give jaggery and wheat and green grass to Gau Mata, that is cow. We have to feed on that day. Otherwise also we have to do this regularly. Then comes Dhanatrayodashi, that is Dhanvantari days. That is again 13th of November, when you have to make pujan of all your all your silver coins, gold, whatever you have to just make pujan of that. And definitely you have to worship Dhanvantari Devata on that day, that yes, please reside in our house, so that we all will be very much healthy and happy. And happiness is very much necessary in one's inner mind, inner soul, and then automatically it will definitely brighten your aura, and this brightened aura will definitely brighten your house also and surrounding people also. And then comes the best and main day of Lakshmi Puja, because this day, this time the Chaturdashi, that is Kali Chaudas, and Lakshmi Puja has fallen on same day. So on 14th of November, Saturday, evening time, we have to perform this Lakshmi Pujan. Morning time is the time of Kali Chaudas, or we can call it as a Narak Chaturdashi. Narak Chaturdashi is the day which is also dedicated to Yama Devata, and this day is something like, we have to just light diyas towards south zone of our house. And in many parts of India, like northern parts of India, like Gujarat, they prepare some tasty, tasty vadas of udid, and then they put curd in that, and they make dahi vada out of it, and then they eat and they give to their family and friends also. And it is said that this Narak Chaturdashi, the udid has a bestest capacity to absorb your negativity. That is why this fried things are made on that day. And this time, luckily the Saturday has come, so I would advise you all, suggest you all to make some udid, that is black lentils vada. So that will definitely help us all. Second thing, on the same day on 14th from 6:15 to 8:30, there is a good time when you can perform Lakshmi Puja. Lakshmi Puja, everyone has different ritual, different style of doing the Lakshmi Puja. Basically, whenever we are doing Lakshmi Puja, it is always advisable wear clean and very fresh clothes, and if you are in a good position, then definitely wear new clothes on that day. Evening time, you have to cheer up your mind, you have to be in a happy mood, you should not be sad. So since morning only you have to prepare good food at home, because evening time you have to perform Lakshmi Puja, and it is always advisable do all the preparation in advance, so that when you are wearing nice sari, my female friends and my all male followers also wearing nice kurta and all these things, and then you have to sit with your family. Before that, you just have to place a Mahalakshmi idol if you have at home, or Mahalakshmi Mata photo. You just have to take one small chaukhut, like you just have to take one wooden stool, that is small wooden stool you have to take. You have to just spread one nice red color cloth or velvet cloth on it. You just have to put Mahalakshmi photo or Mahalakshmi murti on that. You just have to again make pujan of all silver gold in your home. You have to make puja of all your ornaments also. Then you have to put all type of different ayurvedic plants or seeds also. So in market it is very easily available, like gooseberries, tamarind, because this is the season when all these ran meva, we call it as, all these jungle ripened fruits are definitely available during this season, which is very much attracting Lakshmi Mata, which is definitely liked by Mahalakshmi Mata. So you just go ahead with buying of all those things. They are just selling it in bunch only. So in one bunch you are getting everything whatever you have to offer. It is containing sugar cane, tamarind, it is containing gooseberry, then it is containing raw grams, green grams, then it is containing different type of seeds, like it is containing shingada also. This is definitely prepared, or this is definitely we get in this season only, which is liked by Mahalakshmi Mata, and we are just inviting new season to come in our life. We just have to make pujan of all these coins by offering abhishekam of panchamrut. Panchamrut means milk, curd, honey, sugar and toop, that we call it as butter or ghee, right? Pure ghee. You just have to mix them together, you just have to make liquid out of it, and that is called as panchamrut. So with panchamrut you have to make abhishekam on that Mahalakshmi murti, and all the coins followed by again panchopchar puja, that is you have to offer perfume bath also to Mahalakshmi, and all the coins you have to offer kesar bath also, that is saffron bath also. You just mix the saffron powder in water, and then sugandhit pushpa archan, all these things. This is very beautiful thing. Whatever is possible on your side, you just have to do that. Then you have to start kumkuma archan. Kumkuma archan means you just have to take good quality vermilion, I am not sure about the word, that is red color kumkum you have to take, and you just have to chant Om Mahalakshmi Namaha, or any mantra which is favorite of yours, of Devi Ma. You just have to take pinch of kumkum and you just have to offer to Devi Ma's foot. You just have to take pinch and you have to chant this mantra 108 times, that is called as kumkuma archan. You can take small idol of Mahalakshmi also, and this kumkum you can keep for your own use, like applying on forehead or something. Throughout the year you can use it, or you can just keep this kumkum at your money place. That is, that it is indicated that that will definitely enhance your money power in your house. And definitely this packet of kumkum, after kumkum archan, you can keep it in southeast position of your house, wherever, if any drawer is there, just place it there. This will definitely help you a lot. And then you just have to make good aarti, you have to offer good sweets, and whatever you can do on Mahalakshmi. Before that, you just have to light maximum diyas, maximum lanterns in your house. You have to just keep your house open also, so that Mahalakshmi Mata, you are welcoming, that just please come in my house and reside in my house with best of health and wealth, and never go away from here. We are just praying every year this way only. And your main door should be totally decorated. This way you have to do this puja before 8:30 p.m. And then after pujan, everyone has to sit together, and then every time photo session starts and everything happens. And then Mahalakshmi Mata also feels very very happy by coming to your home. And then next day you just have to step by step take all those things of puja, and you have to place it at their own placement you have to do. So this way, this year you perform Mahalakshmi Puja. If you know Shri Sukta Part, you just try to chant full Shri Suktam Part at least 8 times, 12 times, or 21 times you can chant this Shri Suktam ka part. That also you can do. Whatever mantras you know, you can just take Kamal Gatte ka mala, that is lotus seed beads you have to take, and then you have to make puja of Mahalakshmi Mata. People who are following Shri Yantra Pujan, they just have to keep Shri Yantra also at worship place, and then on Shri Yantra also you can do Kumkuma Archan. So this is also advisable. So I hope this Diwali definitely will bring lots of prosperity to all of you, all of us. And this is all. I wish you very 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 happy Diwali to all of you. Live your life in a very very good way, and always be happy. And as I always say, Sabka Mangal Ho. May all be blessed. Namaste.